Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a performance report on this old Carl built Xforce 2x8 all 2879 Toshiba amplifier. Got your power on and off here. There's your sideband delay, which this amp is not biased for sideband. I don't recommend running it on sideband. And there is your standby switch. Just going to be using a simple Cobra 29. Nothing special needed, okay? Gonna have the 1000 watt slug in average, 2500 watt slug in peak. Show you both here at the same time. So we're putting the 2500 watt slug in the corner and about 950 on the bird. Modulation lights. Check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make somebody a good amplifier. It's heavy, and it's several years old, but it's a good one. Bump bump.